In the next few minutes, you can call on a complete website frontend and backend included. If you want to recreate website for learning, testing or building your own project, this video is for you. I'll show you how to call on a website frontend and backend step by step using no code tool. No hack, no fake misleading claim, just a clear, honest guide and easy to follow. Let's start the video.
TechPolestar is your trusted source for verified digital tools. We deliver premium digital products at affordable prices with instant access and 24/7 support. Enjoy a secure, seamless, and worry-free shopping experience. Visit techpolestar.com today for reliable digital solutions at unbeatable value.
Here you can see this is the website. I will use this website in this video. So this is the main website and I already fully call on this website. This is the coloned website. Here you can see, and everything is same as actual website. Here you can see the animation, and this is the coloned website and already hosted in Netlify. So in this video I also learn how to copy full website code and host it in another server. So here you can see this is the animation of and same as original website. This is the case study and here is the case study section, and this is the FAQ and same as it is in the actual website also. And this is the review section, testimonial, and in the last footer same as. So for this you don't need any card or anything or no coding skill. Here you can see I just recorded one video about how to get Microsoft 365 free for 1 year. Here you can see manage subscription, next charge March 21, 2027. So if you are interested in Microsoft 365, then please watch that videos, or you can simply visit my online store to buy anything. In a first step, you need to install this extension, save all resources. Simply add it in your Chrome browser. I will give in this video description also. So simply add this in your Chrome browser and pin in extension bar. After that, simply open a website URL you want to call on. So let's open my target URL. I want to copy this website code, complete backend and frontend also. So after the website URL, simply scroll down or up and click on this, right click, then click on this inspect option. Don't worry about the code, simply ignore this. Click on this button which is near to network section. Click on this, then click on this resource saver. Here you can see you don't need to check anything or just leave this by default 67 resources. Click on this save all resources. It will automatically download all the resources from this website. So here you can see downloading and it's all already completed. Now you need to open this file. So here you can see the file is downloaded. Now you need to extract it. You can use 7-zip or anything. Extract file, password 123. Now simply open the folder, and here you can see all the resources of the website. But when you open this HTML index file, this is not a fully colon website. Here you can see there is no menu. Here you can see the few parts are missing. So we need to complete here you can see the FAQ section is also not working, but we need full website with CSS, JS and frontend backend. So now let's jump into second step. In a second step, you need to install this software. Here you can see Trae AI. So just visit this link and click on this download Trae IDE. After download, install it. I had already installed, here you can see. So let's close this again to show you from beginning. Just download this, and after the download, install it and simply search in a search bar. Open. In a first time, it may ask you maybe 2 times for allow. So don't worry, just allow this access. In a first, you need to log in your account. So again, visit this website Trae AI. Click on this login button. Then scroll down, click on this sign up button, and you can use your Hotmail, Gmail, or Outlook, or anything email, or disposable email also. Simply click the email address and go to traeai.com. Paste here your email address, then click on this send code. Here you can see the email verification. Now you need to type password. After type the password, click on this sign up button. Here you can see a notification sign up completed. You can save this also. Now again open this Trae AI software, and here you can see profile. So I already logged in one account, so let's log out this account to show you how to log in. Here you can see login to start. Click on this. It will open in a browser by default in your in your computer browser, that is maybe is Chrome or Brave or anything. Here you can see login and open Trae. Click on it. I already logged in a same browser, so in a first I need to log out from here. After the login Trae AI account in your browser, open simply Trae AI app, and here you can see login to start. Click on it. Login to start. It will open in a browser. So now you need to log in same account which is earlier we created. After the type your email address and password, click on this login button. Here you can see login successful, and login and open Trae. Click on it. Now we had successfully logged in our Trae AI in a software also. Here you can see a profile. Now you need to open our code in this browser, in this software. So click on this open folder, that is we just downloaded. Here you can see, and we downloaded and also we extracted already. Open this. Now click on this folder. Select folder. Here you can see all the asset your. Now you need type here your one prompt. I will give this prompt in this video description. Just copy the prompt. Just copy the prompt and paste here. Then click on this hit button. Here you can see also a notification. You have 14 days free pro trial available. You can also claim it. Now the Trae AI automatically add code which is not saved by save as extension, Chrome extension. So it takes few time. Let's wait. Here you can see 0 by 3 task done. Now here you can see automatically preview of this code. Here you can see our website, and the FAQ function is also working, which is not working uh, when we saved our. Here you can see when we save by extension all the code, the function FAQ section is not working. But now the fixed by Trae AI, it's working. So here you can see our section completed. Now you can test manually from here preview tab. Everything is working and same to actual website or not. Just compare to real website with this website. So FAQ is working. This is also working testimonial. And the animation of this is also working. Ignore this. Here you can see animation is working. Hover effect. Now we need to fix this, which is here you can see software development, graphics designing, and IT consulting. Now we need to put another prompt. Simply click here. You need to type this type of prompt. This is not looks like a actual website, so we will get actual website code and some improvement by AI. Simply paste here. You can also use image prompt if you want to add anything extra. Simply go to the your targeted website and take a screenshot, then save the screenshot and upload here. Here you can see upload button. You can also upload a image. Here you can see my second prompt is completed and still it's showing 67%. So you can also add another prompt if your output is not same as the actual website. So after the action completed, you need to control S to save this code. Now visit again browser and you need to push this code online. So copy this. So go to netlify.com. Here you can see sign up button in a corner. Click on it and sign up with email. For this you need to use Netlify does not support disposable email. So let's try for this time. Otherwise I need to sign up with Gmail account. After few minutes, Netlify will suspend my account because it does not support disposable or temple email. So better to use Gmail address. Simply choose anything random, nothing is important. Simply choose random thing. Then click on this continue to deploy. Here you can see deploy your first project. Ignore this. Upload a project folder. Click on this browse to upload. Now we need to select this folder. Click on this upload. Here you can see upload 55 file to this site. Click on this upload button. Now please don't refresh this page. Now we need to wait few moments. Here you can see the code is uploaded and this is the your URL, but it does not work. Click on this project configuration. Scroll down, click on this change project name. Otherwise the link is not working. Then click on this save button. Here you can see a live website after the change project configuration URL. Now click on this. Here you can see and everything is working and same as our actual website, which is here. You can see you must need to, after upload a code, you must need to change your project name, otherwise the URL will not work. Let me show you a proof. Here you can see upload a project, then upload a file, again select same file, but this time we will not change the project URL configuration. Here you can see on a URL that is given by Netlify, but this URL does not work. So by this way you can get backend and frontend code in a completely free. And if you need a GitHub Copilot, I will suggest you to visit my online store to buy GitHub Copilot, which is included in GitHub Student Developer Pack or Windows Key, anything. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the 𝐓𝐰𝐢𝐭𝐚 YouTube channel for more simple, honest and free deal like this. Hit the like button and turn on bell so you never miss an update. And for even better deal and detailed guide, make sure to visit techpoolstar.com. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.